Good morning, everybody. So today I wanted to make a video showing you guys my packing process and just preparation for our vacation that we're taking next week. So whenever this video is being posted, I'm actually there right now. Today I'm gonna start my suitcase. I'm looking at it right now. I made a list so I don't forget anything. I just like having everything down so I can see it and I don't forget it, and I also don't overpack because I always tend to do that, and I get there and I don't even wear all the clothes that I bring. So I wanted to make a list of everything that I need to bring. I got my suitcase right here. It's actually my mom's, but the one that I had, it broke, so I'm using hers. So I'm gonna figure out some outfits for the 5 days that we're gonna be there. Usually I like to put on the outfit before and just see how I look in it, and then I'll put it in my suitcase. Sometimes I'm too lazy and I just like put it together and see if it looks good, and then I'll just figure it out as I go there. But since we're doing this video and I'm already here, I'm just gonna put on the outfit and see if it looks cute, and then we'll take it. I'm going to just fold them up and put it in my suitcase. Okay, so this is my suitcase so far. Right now I'm just gonna take a break because we're gonna go do our nails because this looks disgusting. But I'll show you guys the after. Okay, that was a really bad transition, but this is the after. Let me see yours. Do they look clean? Yeah, they look good. Okay, so this is the one that we're getting. Thanks, Nanda, for being the model. Okay, so I tried to explain a little bit of what we were doing at Walmart, but I was just like, I think I kept moving the camera too much, and let me just explain. I don't know how to act with these nails.
Can I explain? So, Kamala went to get her nails done, and then Julio, and she said, I don't have money for that, and so he sent her money, $20.
Okay, well, hold on. He was like, I'll send you money. I was like, no, it's okay. I really don't need to get my nails done. And then he was like, no, I'll send you the money right now. I was like, no, it's fine. I really don't need it. And he had already sent it to me. He's like, no, go do your nails. I already sent you. I was like,
so she decided to paint her nails yellow at home with like paint from Walmart, and so that's what we were doing.
Yeah, so I got a yellow nail polish at Walmart. I can just do my feet and like match. I'm gonna paint it the whole nail yellow.
Mine like looks like grown out already.
So it is much later. It's like probably the next day from the last clip, but yesterday I got my nails done and I started to pack everything, but I got some new clothes. I went to TJ Maxx because my mom needed to get something because I got her a gift card. If you guys saw that vlog of her birthday, I got her a gift card to TJ Maxx, so she went and like used it today. So I went with her and I started looking at their like sleeveless tops, just like summery clothes. I got like 3 things. I got this top right here that you just tie on your neck. Has like it's like backless type thing, and then I got it in a bunch of different colors. So I got it in white, and then this like it's not mustard, yeah it is. I got it in a mustard yellow, and also a black one. I just tried this on, so I untied the tie that there was, but they were all $5.99 at TJ Maxx, so that was good. That's basically it. So right now I'm just going to put everything that I bought inside the suitcase and get my like hair products and things like that, and I'll just show you guys as I go. The bag that I'm gonna bring with me inside the car is this one. It's gonna just be a whole bunch of like random things that didn't fit in the suitcase. And also my electronics that I'm gonna use throughout the car ride. So what I have in here is just some sunglasses, lotion, a Polaroid camera, my wallet, and my AirPods. And then I also have some like film for my camera. And then I'm gonna put in my laptop in here. But that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed me packing my bags for our vacation. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below anything that you guys would like to see from me next. And yeah.